There's a place on earth, a place of destiny, a place of happiness, a place of peacefulness. You don't have to go too far, 'cause it's right here where you are. All you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see. Oh, it seems so strange, but soon you're gonna see. Many stars are bright, and that's not even the night. Anytime I close my eyes, shining stars come for me. I wish you'd come and see these shining stars with me. So close your eyes for a moment and stop what you're doing. Stop everything and don't even think. Then put your mind at ease right at the center of your body. And that's it. It's so easy. First comes a light, then comes a star that's super bright. Sister stars, brother stars, mother stars, father stars, and even nephew stars. They all come out for you to see. And that's the door to your destiny. There's a place on earth, a place of destiny, a place of happiness, a place of peacefulness. You don't have to go too far, 'cause it's right here where you are. All you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see.
Hi everyone, and hello to the shining stars, to all the shining stars out there. Welcome to our Shining Stars program hosted by Kids Love
Love
Peace
20.
20. Sawadee krap, Tanuan here. Welcome everyone to our weekly Shining Stars program.
Hello everyone, this is Trang from Southern California. Welcome all to Shining Stars.
Awesome. And me, P. May from Southern California. So we would like to welcome one and all of our weekly Monday evening streaming of Shining Stars from 7:30 to 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Facebook and YouTube on Kids Love Peace 20. Together, Tana Win, P. Trang, and I will be your host for this evening.
Thank you, May. Yes, so our Shining Star program aims to reinforce the outstanding creative actions and positive thinking in kids and their daily life. Positive encouragement creates a motivational environment for children and adults to continue doing their best, being their best, and warmly sharing this moment of joy in acknowledging
and bringing to the forefront all the good deeds and actions done over the past week to inspire their creativity, praise their achievements, promote their incredible performances, and help each other feel proud of oneself, actions, and thoughts.
We will also include a 10 to 15-minute guided meditation at the end, so we can enjoy the benefits of evening meditation, which can lead to a great night's sleep to prepare you for the excitement of a new day. Everyone out there joining us tonight, help spread the word of our Shining Stars program with your friends and family. Leave us a comment at any time in the comment box, and during our program, Type over a hi so you can see who's on.
Because we love your interaction. So share your comments with us on the YouTube chat or Facebook comment box you see just below our screen. So without further ado, Tanawin, what is this week's theme?
Our theme for this week is honing our skills, problem solving.
That's an interesting thing. And what exactly is honing our skills, problem solving?
So all of us, adult or child, we all face different problems and challenges in our daily lives. And we all have different ways of approaching how we choose to resolve the challenge or problem we are facing. So we have emotions that come up when we have problems or challenges, but how to best resolve the problem or challenge that we are facing. Sharing my experience, first is to not let emotions come into play. When feelings and emotion come into play, our brain shuts down and we are stuck in a problem and challenge. So, but this is another lesson for another day, right? Problem solving skills and strategy is not something we are born with. It is something we build up on. So also call a honing in. Like our meditation skills, the more we practice, the better we get. And one way to approach problems or challenges is through strategic game playing. So what's your thought, Tanawin?
I play a lot of puzzle games such as 2048 and chess. To find the solutions to these games, I have to experiment and test around. I have to analyze what playstyle and methods will allow me the best chance at winning or completing the game. I need to be patient, because if I impatiently pick the wrong choice, I might lose the game. The more complex the puzzles, the more patience, attention, memorization, and creativity is required to be able to solve the puzzle. The more difficult puzzles, such as the Rubik's Cube, require more problem-solving skills. In order to be able to solve the cube, memorization of different techniques is required, and along with that, the creativity to be able to use different techniques together to be able to solve the cube.
Okay, so Tanawin, that was really remarkable. And to know that we can achieve all this from game playing. You guys know what? I think this evening we have an example of problem solving skill game that's going to help us understand even better. Tanawin?
Yes, we do. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what the Rubik's Cube is. There are many ways to solve it, and it depends on the person what method is used. Tonight, Nalin will show us her skills with the Rubik's Cube.
Cube. So the first step you need to learn to solve a Rubik's Cube are the algorithms. So these are the two most important algorithms. So the first one is called the right algorithm, and you take your right hand and then you go up, left, down, right. And the left algorithm, you take your left hand and you go up, right, down, left. And those are the two most important algorithms. Now you're gonna make what's called a yellow daisy. So there's no algorithm for this. You just keep trying to make a daisy. So it should be yellow side, and then you're gonna try to find the white corners. So now you should have a daisy. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna match the colors next to the white with the middle, and then you're gonna turn it twice to the white side. So you're gonna do that with all of them. And now you should have the white cross. Now what you're gonna try to do is you flip the white over, and now you're gonna look for the ones on top, the white ones on top, and then you're gonna turn it to like where the green is with green, orange is with orange, and then there's a white piece. So that's like how you need to know, or it could be with any other color. So now you do the right or left algorithm. So if you want to do the right algorithm, you should have it like this, and if you want to do the left, just turn it over. So you do right or left algorithm as many times as you need. And now, if you did it with all of them, then the bottom layer should be solved. So now you're going to try to solve these pieces. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn these ones to where the blue is with blue, orange is with orange, or any other color. So now now you're gonna turn it away from where it needs to be, and it needs to be right here. So we're gonna turn it to the right because it needs to be left. And now you do the left algorithm because it's at the left. And now there should be a little cube, and then you turn it with your right hand, and then you're gonna do the right algorithm now. So the opposite algorithm. And now the cube should be at the correct spot. And if you do it with all of them, your second layer should be solved. Now we have to solve the top layer. So if the top layer should have yellow cubes, and mine has a horizontal line, but it could be different shapes. So if you have a line, make it horizontal, and then you do this algorithm. You turn the face once up, and then you do the right algorithm. Now you should have a yellow cross. Once you have the cross, what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to match the top ones with the middle. So, okay, so I have two, and if you have all of them, that's good. So I have two right here, so if you have one like this, you're gonna do turn it like this. And now you're gonna do a new algorithm. It goes like this: up, left, down, left, and then you bring this up again, and then you turn the white one back, and then you face it down. And now if you move the top one once, it should have all of them. And now you should you're gonna try to match the corners within the correct place. So for this example, green with the green, red with the red. So I already have one. If you don't have one, you can still do this algorithm. And if you have one, put it in your top right corner. So this is a new algorithm, and then you for this algorithm, you go left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. And then you could check if you have any more, and you keep doing this algorithm until you have it solved. Now I have it all solved, so see these colors are all solved. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a color. I'll pick blue, and then you're gonna do the right or left algorithm. So I'm gonna do the right one. Keep remembering your color. And now I did that one, so now it's in the correct place. And now you switch the cube over, and then keep doing that right algorithm, right or left algorithm. And now your cube should be solved.
Wow, knowledge is totally amazing. I have tried many times the Rubik's Cube, but I'm not sure. I'm not. It's sure not easy at all. And yeah, getting one the color is, but all the colors, wow. Thank you for sending us, showing us how to do it. It's totally incredible, Nalin.
Amazing skills. Well done, Nalan. If this inspires anyone to record videos of themselves demonstrating problem-solving skills, please do and share with us. We will host your video during our next stream.
So some might experience problem solving in daily life, like during your home tasks, when you're doing schoolwork or playing games. So to our listeners, type in the comment box an example of your problem solving skills and what ways you use to strengthen and hone in on your strategic or problem solving skills. So I am so excited to know what other fun ways to build up strategy, out there. So more game playing for me.
Yes, so why our kids at home enter what their ideas and how they build their strategic skills and problem solve and what games they found to be useful. I just want to take this moment to retouch our 1000 phenomenal needs to brighten up our world activity. So the activity has progressed over 6 weeks now. And just to recap, this is an activity where we all log our good deeds carried out during the week, and all entries will be gathered to reach the goal of 1000. And the link to the online Google form is located on both of Kids Love Peace 20 Facebook and YouTube page. And before we get to last week's entry, what are some ideas that kids share with us tonight, May? Do you have it?
All right, so I'm waiting on that. So again, make sure you're chatting with us on YouTube or Facebook or during this webinar. And I want to welcome Lily, Lauren, I know you're here with us, Nolan, Kobe, Max, you're on Facebook, Valentin on YouTube, Sunny on Facebook. So go ahead and share your experience, problem solving skills, and I would love to share it with all the listeners out there. So again, keep those great strategic building ideas and let us know what's going on. All right,
Yes, I think I'll go get myself some of those games as well. So the learning and skill building process never stops. And Tanawin, what are some of the phenomenal good deeds that that were entered last week?
Great entries, everyone. Fantastic job, but don't stop yet. We have not yet reached the 1000 good deeds requirement. Any use of your problem-solving techniques to resolve problems you or your family faced counts as a phenomenal job. Those who log their phenomenal deeds as part of our ongoing activity are Isis, Max, JNR. We are now at 775 good deeds logged.
Silent clap.
From the graph, we have Isis, who was a co-host on our Shining Stars program, paid respects to her parents, meditated, ensured her fish had food, cleaned her guinea pig's cage, helped cook, put away dishes, participated in the Maha Puja World Meta Candle Light activity with Thailand, and paid homage to the Triple Gems. Max helped prepare food for Dad to bring to work. That is phenomenal. He also helped with chores around the house, was a co-host on the Shining Stars program, helped set the table up for dinner, paid respects to his parents, participated in the Maha Puja World Meta Candle Light event with Thailand, and paid homage to the Triple Gems.
That is so amazing, amazing, amazing. And I also see that JNR help friends to let go and realize how to overcome obstacles. Wow, really using the problem solving skills.
Wow, that's so great. Awesome, everyone. Big clap for you. So even though we did not get the chance to read all 775 entries, we will undoubtedly get to every one of them to share in each of our streaming programs. So as a gift of appreciation to everyone who participates in our 1000 phenomenal deeds to brighten up our world activity, you will receive 3 unique stickers coming your way in the post. So check those mailboxes with your mom and dad, kids. You will receive 3 really special stickers and customized to you with your name. Now, what really exciting is
There's an extra sticker for those who send us a picture of you doing a phenomenal good deed. Your picture is made into a sticker for you to stick wherever you want as a memory of a phenomenal deed you did. Let's see how our members feel when they receive their stickers.
So great.
do we have a video to share to our audience tonight?
Yeah, we want to see those who already received it, just to see what their reactions are, right?
I know
Well-
I received mine.
Ah,
It looked kind of like this with my personalized name on it and me in a meditation pose.
that is so awesome.
It's 1,000 and a bigger sticker.
Hey, well, guess what? We've got some kiddos with a video about to be played right now.
Hi everyone! We got the 1000 phenomenal deed stickers tonight. Yeah. That's me. And then this one, I drew a good deed, and then they turned Shining Star program. They turned my picture to a sticker.
Oh my gosh, that
Wow,
was so
that is super special and very cute.
So Tanawin, awesome. Thanks for showing it. It is real, so it's so exciting. He had a personalized sticker. So this is a really unique way of remembering what we each did. And we can stick these stickers anywhere. So I put my 1000 phenomenal deeds. I stuck it in my little planner just to remind myself to continue to do great deeds. So great job, kids. Together, again, we achieved 775 entries in just 6 weeks. I can't wait to see what this week will bring. And now to our guided meditation. Monk Warit Wachiro leads us tonight from Dhammakaya International Meditation Center here in Azusa, California. So please welcome Monk Warit.
Hi guys. Hi everyone. So me, Monk Horowitz. Happy to see you all here tonight. I'm here in California Meditation Center in Azusa City. Hello Pime, hello Nalin, hello Tanawin, hello Tang. Okay. Now is a precious time of the day, I believe. Before we started meditation, I'd like to have some tip for you guys. We all have heard that expression before. Take it easy. When we don't take something seriously, it all seems easy. But when you get serious about it, it is suddenly seems hard. Such as when you play football or badminton for fun, we enjoy it, right? We enjoy it. Meditation is similar. Do it with an easy spirit. And it won't seem hard. It's when we are too serious that we find it difficult. Okay, so if you see the problem and you're too serious about it, your mind is not clear. You hardly find a way out. Same to the meditation. It's clear your mind, so you will solve the problem easily. Okay. Why don't we just right into it, the meditation. Okay, it seems even ready. Now it's time to get comfy, everyone. Make yourself comfortable. Find a space, either sit cross-legged or on your favorite chair. Take a moment now to decide which works best for you. Now you've found your spot. Have a wriggle in the fidget so your body feels happy. And when you're done, say goodbye to those fidgets and say hello to that lovely, warm, calm feeling you get when you relax. And your body come to stillness. Rest and breathe gently. You may keep your eyes open for now if you like, to see if you can feel your breathing. You might need to slow it down a little so you can feel what it's doing to your tummy. Make it lift as you breathe in and lower as you breathe out. Next time, as you breathe out, let your eyes softly close. Well done. Now you can enjoy the adventure with your eyes closed. Your mind can make the picture for you. You're outside in your yard and up in the sky. You spot a bubble floating. It's so clear and bright. It's really beautiful bubble. As you have seen it, it's soothing your eyes and your mind. Now you feel relaxed. It's floating right in front of you, like it's waiting for you to jump in. You slowly going inside the bubble and sitting still in the center of it. Now you feel the bubble start to rise up again into the sky. And you feel yourself floating in it too. You are relaxed and let yourself be carried. Enjoying the cool air on your skin. You see green field down below and the tree you are above the tree top. Up ahead, you see your favorite place in the whole world. You decide what this place is. See if you can imagine it now. How beautiful is it? The bubble takes you right to it. Look around. You're enjoying this place all by yourself. You soaked up the goodness and joy from being here in your favorite place. How much you love it. Just breathe into it. As you do, you feel completely happy. And with that happiness, you would like to share this peace and happiness to the people around you. You can gather all that good feeling back to your center. Feel that all peace and energy that radiate throughout the world. And at this moment, your state of mind is really clear, pure, and powerful. You can take a moment to make good wish. Any good thing that you want it to happen for the benefit of yourself and others and for the world. Keep your mind still right at the center. Sapphe Puttha Phalappatta Paccekanan Jayang Phalang Arahantanan Jate Chena Rakhang Phantha Mi Sapphaso Sapphaputthanuphavena Sapphathammanuphavena Sapphasankhanuphavena Sattha Sothi Bhavantu Te. Now you can slowly and gently open your eyes, but still keep your mind calm and gentle with the inner peace from your center. All right, welcome back, everyone. Okay. I hope you enjoy my meditation. Okay, and I wish to see if you are happy. Please type 1 in the comment. And if you feel some brightness, you feel some Buddha in your yourself, in your tummy, please type 2. And you can type anything. You can type anything in the comment. Okay. All right.
Yes, I felt really, really relaxed and calm. Thank you, Mangorawit.
Thank you, everyone. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Thank you for joining meditation today. All right. Back to the MC.
Thank you. Hey,
Thank you.
Tanawin, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very calm right now, very at peace.
Yeah, it's amazing. Just a couple minutes just to get grounded. And so that's how I feel. That's my word, is feeling grounded, at peace, very calm. So thank you again, Mangkorarit, for leading the meditation tonight.
And to all, try to meditate as often as you can each week.
Yes, so we will see you all again every Monday on YouTube and Facebook of Kids Love Peace 20 channel.
Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe below to support our program.
And thank you all for joining this evening. Have a wonderful week, boys and girls. So till next Monday at 7:30 p.m. Bye from everyone at Kids Love Peace 20. Bye, everybody. Good
Bye,
night.
everyone.
Thank you.
There's a place on earth, a place of destiny, a place of happiness, a place of peacefulness. You don't have to go too far, 'cause it's right here where you are. All you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see. Oh, it seems so strange, but soon you're gonna see. Many stars are bright, and that's not even the night. Anytime I close my eyes, shining stars come for me. I wish you'd come and see these shining stars with me. So close your eyes for a moment and stop what you're doing. Stop everything and don't even think. Then put your mind at ease right at the center of your body. And that's it. It's so easy. First comes a light, then comes a star that's super bright. Sister stars, brother stars, mother stars, father stars, and even nephew stars. They all come out for you to see. And that's the door to your destiny. There's a